All right, today I'm going to show you a kitchen must-have. It's this little gadget right here. And what this is for, it is for holding your plastic bags in place, or your reusable bags, it works with both, to fill something. All right, so I make chicken stock all the time. I don't like to waste anything if I don't have to. And see how easy it was for me to be able to do that all by myself. Nobody had to come and hold the bag open for me. That's fantastic, right? So now I got my chicken stock. I can lay it down like that in the freezer. Why do we like these? All right, they store away really easy because they fold down. They fit right in the drawer. The other reason we like these is they can expand. So if you're going to be working with a very large bag, and then you can adjust to fit the exact bag size. And they clean up real easy. They have this little rubber thing on the bottom, so it prevents it from slipping too much on surfaces. And I just want to say, overall, this is such a cool little kitchen gadget. I have 3 of them, and I highly recommend them.